Hello, it's Tabby again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new recipe as usual. So today, how to show you how I make my green grams dengu. And I have here with me split green grams. So this will take a little time to boil. And I have in my recipe, I have tomatoes and carrot, I have dania, I have capsicum or hoho, I have my chili, pili pili, I have ginger, I have a seasoning flavor, salt, I have black pepper and paprika and turmeric, both half teaspoon. Now I will start by boiling my green grams and I will blend my tomatoes and pili pili together. Then we'll come back. Let's start by lightening. We don't wash split green grams. Meanwhile, as I wait for my green grams to cook, I will prepare my ingredients. Well, my ingredients are ready. Here I've added coconut cream. My tomato is well blended and my dengu is cooked. So I will just go ahead. I will turn on my stove And in my saucepan I have oil. It's ready. I will add in my onions and I will give it a good stir. Before my onions are ready, I'll add in my ginger and garlic paste. I'll stir it until it's translucent. Add in my cumin powder and coriander powder. Give it a good stir. I'll add in my blended tomato and keep stirring until it thickens up. Now it's well. I'll add in my paprika, turmeric and black pepper. Give it a good stir. Then I'll add in seasoning, flavor and salt. Let it cook for some time as you stir it. I'll add in water and I'll give it a stir to ensure the sauce is well cooperated, and I'll leave it to boil before I add my green grams or dengu. Once it has boiled, I'll add in my dengu. My dengu was well cooked. You can see it's already thickening. I'll add in my coconut cream and fold it. I'll keep on checking it as I fold it just to ensure it doesn't stick at the bottom of the saucepan. I'll add in my grated carrots, fold in and let it simmer in a very low heat. I'll go in with hoho, give it a stir. My dengu is ready. I'll garnish it with coriander. And at this point, the flame is off. I'll serve my dengu with some soft layered chapatis. Look at it. It has a beautiful color and very creamy, and it tastes so nice. If you're new in this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Press the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new video. Like this video, support my channel. Thank you for staying here with me. I'll see you in my next video.